What's up guys, Kai here, and today I will be doing the unboxing of the Blu-ray Collector's Edition of Mobile Suit Gundam Narrative from the folks over at Anime Limited. Again, this is just a small single disc collection, but let's get into it. So here is the front of the box. Here is the back. Here is the top. The bottom, this side, and then the contents itself. Okay, so what do you get in the collection? So you get the box, but you get the film, you get a poster. They're doing a lot of posters these days, which is good, and you get an art book. So I'll show you these in a second. So here is the front of the disc case. Here's the side, and here is the back. So it's in 1080p, 16.9 aspect ratio, and it is in Japanese and English audio, and has English subtitles. Look inside. Again, just one disc, and as always we're going to flip the cover so we can get rid of the white border. And that looks much better to me, like that is really cool looking. And in the back just the same info. I think the pictures are a wee bit different. Are they different? Let me They are different. So, as always, I much prefer like this. The white border just ruins it for me, but I like how you've got the option. And if you like that, then you're in luck, because the poster is actually just that front cover, which looks really cool. Try and fold this nicely. Okay, now onto the art book. So, same as always, I will show you the characters and then the mecha designs, and then just sort of cool pictures. Now, I'm going to admit, I have not watched this yet, even though I bought it. When did I buy this? A few months ago? I still haven't gotten around to watching it yet. And I know this sort of sequel is coming out, Hathaway's Flash, which I know that's more of a sequel to Shard's Counterattack originally. They've just added a few stories in between those two. But as I've said before, I'm planning on doing a massive rewatch of the Universal Century, starting with the original series. So it'll probably be a while till I get to watching this. Oh, Minerva's in this. Nice. I know looking through this is kind of spoiling stuff for me, but I don't care. Well, I do care, but not really. Oh, I like that design actually of the Gundam. Kind of looks like the OG Core Fighter. So I'm wondering if that is and that's built around it, or if it's just based on that old design. I guess I'll find out in a few months. Ooh. Unicorn Gundam Phoenix. Ooh, very nice. See, I love this sort of era of the Universal Century. Just the mecha designs are just, oh, they're just so good. Like, see when I moved on to sort of F91 And the Victory Gundam designs where stuff was smaller and more compact, I don't know, it just sort of doesn't really do it for me. I mean, the F91 does look cool, but all the other suits around it just don't really do it for me. Yeah, I remember that being made into a meme a lot just because of the weird pose that the characters are in. And that is outstanding. Oh, this is at the end. So, to recap, you get the film, the art book, the poster, and the box to contain it all in. That's everything for this collection. Oop. As far as I know, this is still in stock. Oh, I'm doing this weird here. This is still in stock and it's quite cheap. I think it's only like £20 maybe. But I will leave a link in the description to both their main shop page, and if it is cheaper on Amazon, I'll post the Amazon link as well. But yep, that's the narrative unboxing. Hopefully this was helpful for you in making the decision to buy this or not. And yeah, good, nice wee collection. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.